Today, we dive into a unique tale from Gunsmoke. It's a moving story from Season 20, episode The Iron Men. Set in the gritty town of Brimstone, this episode showcases more than just gunfights. It introduces us to the struggles of a lawman and an old friend. Matt Dillon is our hero, but he faces a tough challenge. He's up against Carl Riker, a ruthless cattle baron terrorizing the town. But that's not the only threat he encounters. While investigating, Matt finds an old comrade, Chauncey Demon. Once a proud marshal, Chauncey now battles his own demons. Years of hardship and loss have turned him into a shell of his former self. With the local sheriff gravely ill, Matt sees a glimmer of hope. He pushes for Chauncey to step up as acting sheriff. What follows is a gripping fight. Chauncey must confront both Riker's violence and his own haunting past. This isn't just another Western showdown. The Iron Men delves into emotions like aging and redemption. It's a character study that resonates deeply. Cameron Mitchell's portrayal of Chauncey is particularly moving. He shows us how life on the frontier damages not just bodies, but spirits too. Matt's role is more than just that of a lawman. He's trying to save his friend, showcasing his compassion amidst chaos. However, this episode may not appeal to everyone. Some might find the pacing slower and dialogue heavy. Riker, despite his menace, can feel like a basic villain. But the performances make the journey worthwhile. By its 20th season, Gunsmoke bravely explores deeper themes. The Iron Men mirrors the 1970s shift towards complex characters faced with moral dilemmas. There are key lessons to take away from this episode. First is the idea of redemption. It's possible but requires confronting our failures. Additionally, even the toughest among us can crumble. Sometimes they just need a reminder of who they once were. From a filmmaking perspective, character-driven stories can be just as compelling as action-packed scenes. The Iron Men proves emotional stakes can keep viewers engaged. In conclusion, this episode is a subtle gem. It's somber and thought-provoking, anchored by remarkable performances. If you enjoy westerns that explore the human cost of violence and redemption, give The Iron Men another watch. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more from our Gunsmoke Season 20 series, highlighting the most popular episodes.